Hey everybody. Okay. Well, truthfully, I'm debating on going to the Zulu parade tomorrow. You know, and even though the Zulu parade is in the back of my house, well, I stay on the back street as far as y'all know. Okay. Well, some of you already know I live on the back street. You know. So I must say, folks, I'm debating on going to the parades. You know, the Zulu. Okay. But I'm going to try my damnedest, my best, to go to the St. Patrick's Day parade, you know. So we'll see what that's going to bring. What that's going to bring, you know what I mean? So, I must say, though, I'm very glad that, wait a minute, let me get my cell phone. Okay. Alright, so, about to give Ryan a call. I hope this is not the wrong number. Alright, let's see.
Please leave your message for...
Well, I was calling Ryan though, you know. Okay. So, let me call Randy Smith. Randy TV, I should say. Wait a minute. Yeah, what up, bro? Oh, you going to the Zulu parade tomorrow?
I don't know.
Okay, I might go, but if it rains tomorrow, I'm automatically going.
If it rains tomorrow, you're automatically gone.
Yep.
Why?
They gonna have too many people out there though when it rains, you know.
And you still go out there.
Yep.
Why?
Yeah. That means less people, more stuff to catch.
Yeah, true that.
Yeah, just like in 2014, it rained for Mardi Gras, you know.
Yeah.
It rained. It was freezing. You know, not too many people out there.
Yeah, my brother.
Oh yeah. Oh, you didn't go out there that time, huh?
Nuh-uh.
Oh, you didn't.
Nah.
Oh, okay, no problem.
Oh, that's too cold. It's raining.
Yeah, I know, but I'm have a raincoat any damn way.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I don't think it's gonna rain that much though.
Well, probably not. Probably ain't gonna rain that much at all. Probably a little jerk drizzle.
Yeah.
Yep. I was out there and I caught a lot of stuff. 6 footballs, 7 or 8 frisbees. Yes, indeed. You know what? I told the folks on YouTube years back.
Yeah.
Yeah, I might do a classic episode of it one day. You know.
Yeah.
I don't know when. All right. So. All right. So you watching wrestling or something?
I'm about to watch it in a few minutes.
Who?
I'm about to watch it in a few minutes.
Oh, okay. It's coming on USA.
Yeah.
Oh, USA. All right. I know it don't come on TNT for now.
Well, it come on TNT, but it come on Wednesday.
Oh, Wednesday's on TNT. All right. Not on TBS.
Okay.
All right. All right.
Well, I'll tell you later, bro.
All right then. All right.
available right now. Please try again later.
La persona que usted ha llamado no está disponible en este momento. Por favor, intente de nuevo más tarde.
Message 2. Switch 433.
Whatever. Whatever. All right.